Hey everybody, well, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a very long time since I've done a video. I don't even want to look back at the last video I did to see how long it's been. A lot has changed, obviously. A different setup. That is because I am here in the Netherlands, so I am forcing myself this year to get back into doing strictly tutorial videos, and today will be my first day finally getting back into it. And I want to use Natasha Denona. Maybe the Tropic palette, the gold palette, I'm not too sure. We'll see how it goes. So the next few videos will be strictly tutorials on just the eyes for now, and then we'll go into complexion over time. And I'm not going to force myself into getting into these videos. I'm just going to let myself slowly get back into doing videos. But today we're going to do a tutorial on the eyes, and then you guys will be able to check my Instagram to see the final look of everything with complexion and stuff. So let me go figure out which Natasha Denona I want to do, and we shall see. Be right back. All right, so I decided to do the Tropic palette, Natasha Denona, because there are I actually want to play with the blues for a little bit, maybe a little bit of the mint, but I am also going to dip into the Urban Decay Basquiat collaboration they did, because I actually want to incorporate the Untitled, and I haven't really seen that many reviews, tutorials about it. So without any further ado, let me get my eyes ready and I will be back. All right, so I went ahead and put tape down, and I am actually going to go ahead and prime with this just because I still have it and I need to go through it. I already went through my Fenty Beauty, which was my favorite eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime the eyelids. And then also I just like to run the primer through the brows as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole lid, both sides. My tape is slowly coming off. So I am using my ring light and natural lighting for this setup because most of my photography is done in about 90% natural lighting, and I figured I'd go ahead and keep it that way, and then we'll be back to dip into the eyeshadows. All right, so the eyelid is primed, and I'm gonna go in with Mint Frost first. Gonna go ahead and pack it onto my brush. Do I want to use a finger? Let's do brush first. So, gonna go ahead and tap this into. This is gonna be where, oh, actually, right in the corner. And just tap it on and bring it in. God, this is so weird. It's been a while. Add a little bit more. And then just swing it across. And obviously, do it to the other side. So this is just going to be my inner highlight and up to the brow bone. There we go. And also got to be careful because one of my eyelids is actually bigger and has more space than the other side. So always got to keep that in mind too. Anybody else have that problem? Just me? And these are so phenomenal. There we go. Tap it. And then I'm going to go ahead and get a, excuse me, clean it off real quick. Blending brush, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edge of it real quick on both sides. And then we are ready for the second color. So I've been liking to do this foxy type of thingy eye type of shindig for my eye shape. Does that look even? Close enough. Next, I am going to go into Laguna. Same brush, cleaned off. I am actually going to go ahead and add it right here. Just like that. Same thing to the other side. Add a little on this side. There we go. And back to the blending brush. And just go ahead and blend it out like this. And blend it into the mint frost. Sorry if you hear noise, because they're getting the internet fixed at my mother-in-law's house. There we go. Don't worry about that, because I am going to go ahead and fix it. Because I am going to go now in with, do I want to? No, I am actually going to go in with Tiger Lily with the blending brush. I know a lot of people had issues with this one. I actually made a look with this, and it actually looks really nice. Get on the blending brush, tap off the excess, and just go ahead and start creating my V on the outer part. And then kind of connecting it with the Laguna. And then bringing it out, bringing it in and out. There we go. Same thing with the other side. So that's just going right into the crease. Perfect. And just keep building it up to the desired amount you want. Perfect. Of course, one side always looks better than the other, so we're going to make them look like sisters, not twins. And just keep blending. And that is one thing I do like about Natasha Denona, her eyeshadows, is that you could actually build it. Just keep building it to the intensity and desired amount you want. Ooh, it's coming out nice. Because I do love blue eyeshadows on my brown eyes. Now next, I am going in with my all-time favorite unicorn liner. Where's the tip? Yeah, whatever. Liner brush, dip it into Tiger Lily. And then go from here, gotta make sure, and then bring it down. Perfect. Then go back in with the blender brush and then just begin to blend it out. Blend it out. Just like that. Perfect. And then do it to the same side, to the other side, and I will be back. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and dip into unentitled. Do I want to do more of a black blue? Let's dip into, see how dark this gets. And then with this, bring it down all the way to the middle. And then from there, back into the blending brush, dip it into unentitled. And then same thing, just blend it out. think I actually might add some black to that. Sorry. Gotta get used to this whole setup thingy. Whatchamagig. Yeah. And then just keep adding it. Perfect. And then I'm gonna do that on the other side and we'll be back. So I do want to darken, intensify the outer bit. So I'm gonna go with less, which seems to be like not a true black, but kind of like would help to give more of a smoky black, which is kind of what I want the outer V to be. And then same thing, just right over. Creating a little bit more depth in the corner. And then dip in the blending brush into less, and then just blend it up to create more of that gradient, smoke, saucy, sultry, seductive. There we go. That is what I've been wanting. So much blues, mints, and teals. No, baby blue. Ooh, there we go. That's what I want. Let me go and do it to the other side and I will be back. All right, so this is what we have so far. I'm actually liking it. Now for the brow bone, I do want to add a little bit of some. Actually, I'm gonna go back into the mint frost and just kind of go ahead and just repack it in the middle, but also let it flow into the brow bone. Just let it flew. Yeah, that'll work. That will definitely work. Up and then just flicker the wrist into the brow bone. Perfect. Awesome. Just like that. Just simple. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then we will finish up the rest of this look when I get back. All right. So this is the look so far with the face on. So we're gonna finish up the eyes. I need to do more of the bottoming. So I am gonna go in with, actually go back in with Tiger Lily, and I'm gonna go in with the liner brush, basically type of thingy, and then just really begin to connect it. I'm connecting it with the outer aspect, the outer part of the top type of thingy. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with a fluffier brush just to go ahead and blend that out. Give it a little bit of a smoky effect. And I have to be careful because my eyes will begin to water because it's been so long since I've been doing makeup. But, and then obviously, my mirror is so freaking dirty. Just blended it out more right in the corner. Oh, there we go. And just add as a little bit more as you want, and then you blend it out. And I am actually going with the Untitled, and then I'm going to blend that out on the bottom as well. There we go, cleaner mirror. And then I'm just going to do that more on the outer V. Slowly bringing that in. Perfect. Then I'm going to go back in with Mint Frost, just to go ahead and to intensify the inner. connected with this. There we go. Obviously. So let me go ahead and finish the other eye and finish up the rest of my face, and I will be right back. And this is the final look. So I'm digging it, loving it. Blues, Natasha Denona, Urban Decay. Some good must-haves in my opinion. We probably all have it. Pretty sure we do. So this is one of many more tutorials to come. Oh, who is she? And I love doing blue or purple on me because it brings out my brown eyes a lot more. So if you guys want to see the final look edited on my Instagram, and we will slowly be building from eyes into complexion, lips, primers, what I do for my photo shoots, what I do for my specific looks for me, and just stuff that we probably all have that we could start using. Disregard that because I always edit that out. That is a wart that started to grow because of the whole mask mandate when I was living in Vegas, but it's in the past. And I think I actually want to add something into the waterline. We shall see. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you learned something new. Play with color. Happy 2021.